너무 귀여워.
약간 술 취한 루돌프.
사슴이야 사슴. 루돌프.
We have a Christmas lunch party with some friends, and I'm deciding what to wear. So this is option number 1, my dress from Self-Portrait. So this is a good option. This dress is option number 2. This one is from Ted Baker, and it just has a simple, long black sleeves top with this beautiful bottom part of this dress. And this one is option number 3, the last option, a beautiful black lace long dress from Zara. What do you think I should wear? Option 1, 2, or 3?
You see? But that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's longer. It's longer so you can stay warm.
Our first Christmas party of the year.
Hey, look, there's the golf driver just chilling there.
Merry Christmas!
Merry, Merry Christmas. All the buttons.
I just got a recommendation.
Joint gift. Let's go. It's like my birthday all over again. Ooh. Man.
Never ending.
Open this up again. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
This is A for oh yes, this is very nice. This is very nice. Thank you. Is it same thing? Okay. Check this out. I needed oh wait. You have to choose which color you want.
Ooh.
But this is beautiful. Thank you. You just feel how soft it is. It just feels so nice. You know? It's like my neck just feels so warm right now.
Chips are really good.
Yeah, I was just asking to see what would be the best combination to put inside the bowl, and he said either rose or something like that.
Christmas time, so I made my Christmas crinkle cookies. They're gluten-free. I will link my recipe down below. And this year I wanted to try something special and see if I can use these gluten-free pretzels and M&Ms to decorate them. Adding M&Ms for the Rudolph's nose. I think they look pretty cute.
뭘 만드실 건가요?
못생긴 방어. Unusable, unhangable.
약간 아이버 같아 언니. 미안해.
약간 그 분위기가 잘 안 담겨. 맛있겠다.
필요 없어. We don't have any cutlery. Like, where's mine?
Where are we going?
Tottenham.
Yay! We're gonna go see Sunny. I'm wearing the Tottenham
Look where
Hotspurs.
we're going in the snow.
I know it's gonna be cold, that's why. I feel like a snowman, but let's head out. It took us about, what, 30 minutes to walk here from the station?
Your captain,
진짜 큰데? 야, 그거 어떻게 들고 가?
아 너는 그렇다 치고 나는
그러니까.
우와 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 우와.
Very intimate group today.
Oh, it's just us two?
Yes.
예.
Any codes? I'm maybe can I get you a drink or something?
찍고 있는 거야?
찍고 있는 것 같아. 눌렀지 나? 아, 네, 안 눌렀어. 안 눌렀어.
ice pine, which will add some texture. So we'll be using it to add more volume. Them at different heights, not so they're no street rules.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. La 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 la
It's a pretty time of year, very relaxing, very, very nice.
Thank you.
Better than I think that I make.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
We are gonna go to Christmas dinner with some other friends. We're all dressed up. I'm actually wearing heels. And Ryan's looking like a little cutie. Kiawa?
Oh, it's not a picture?
It's not. I've been talking the whole time.
A few words about ourselves. We've based each of these off different British ingredients, accentuating them in different ways. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's a secret.
They've been compressed with the beetroot that's produced to sort of give a little bit.
Okay, so the white sesame with an ice cream bonbon made with winter blend tea and white chocolates. And lastly,
nice ones.
Have you had that one before?
There we go. Let us worry, you enjoy.
Thank you. What kind of soup was it? Lentil soup?
Lentil soup, yeah.
This is my scallops. You can't even see the scallops yet.